Hi and welcome to Little Hatchlings Art Lessons. Today we're going to do some more alphabet art. Today we're going to be drawing things that start with the letter O. Should we do our little saying that helps us remember?
Yeah.
Ready, set, go. Big O, little O. What begins with O? Owl, orange, octopus. O, O, O. Okay. So first we're going to draw an owl, and the way we're going to do that is drawing two round eyes. And you want to leave some reflections in there, or at least one reflection.
Sorry, can't do it.
Okay.
Just one eyes.
That's okay. And then a triangle
That looks
in
like
between.
a cat.
No, it'll look like an owl, don't worry. So now a triangle right there.
If we didn't want it.
So this is its beak. And then we're going to draw an outline around here. It goes down like that and then over like that. Cute. And now the top of the head is just rounded like that. And then you have an ear here.
No, it's tough a feather.
Oh, you're right. And one right there. And then kind of curves down on each side. So now we're going to make a wing over here with little feathers. And one over here with little feathers.
Mine is flying.
Oh. And then just round it out down here. Like that. And you can do little feathers along here. Yeah, and then the legs are two lines down and little lines poking out. Yours is so cute. I love yours. All right. Oh. All right. Now an orange is pretty easy. And the only way we'll know it is an orange is when we color it later. It's just a circle. And then just a little circle up there. All right. Now finally, we're going to draw an octopus.
I love octopuses.
So the head is kind of like a circle too, but maybe more of an oval. And then the tentacles. Oops, we're overlapping. Hey, can we? There we go. So the tentacles, you want 8 of them. And you can...
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, dang.
Well, just add some in the back. Wait, look. You can add some that are kind of hiding back there.
7, 8.
Okay, let me count how many I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I need to have 3 more hiding back here. 1, 2, and then a third one back here.
Mine has one big eye.
Oh, yours is a squid then? That's a squid. An octopus has 2 eyes. So 2 eyes, and then you can do a little
Mine
smile.
is a nice one.
And then some of these show the back.
Wait, mine?
And they show
has
the
freckles.
suckers.
Mine has freckles.
Okay, so some of these that are in the back layer should show the suction cups. And so they show the suction cups right there. All right, now let's draw a big O and a little O.
Over here.
Okay, so a big O is really easy. A big O is like an oval, and a little O is just like a circle. Oh yeah, you can make it into block letters if you want. All right. Well, now we're going to color it, and we're going to do that in time lapse, and then you can color yours too with whatever colors you want. All right, let's get coloring. Thank you so much for drawing with us. We hope you had fun drawing things that start with the letter O. Make sure you follow us so you don't miss our future videos. And we'll see you next time. Oh, it's so funny. We'll see you next time when we draw things that start with the letter P. Bye!